Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Now is the perfect time to delve into the world of investing. By committing just $100 every week, you have the potential to become a millionaire in a mere 4 years. But as you embark on this financial journey, it's essential to consider the insights of experts like Kathy Wood, the visionary founder and CEO of ARK Invest. Let's get started. Kathy Wood boldly challenges the status quo of the stock market, urging investors to break free from the constraints of conventional benchmarks. She spotlights the NASDAQ, once hailed as the epicenter of innovation, now struggling to maintain its disruptive essence. Wood attributes this transformation to the aftermath of the late 90s tech and telecom bubble, which left a lasting legacy of risk aversion within major indices. In stark contrast to the prevailing risk-averse mindset, Wood and ARK Invest champion the cause of disruptive innovation. Their investment philosophy centers on identifying trailblazing companies at the vanguard of innovation, those unafraid to challenge established norms. This approach stands in stark contrast to traditional investment practices and benchmarks. Kathy Wood draws a clear demarcation line between the golden era of the NASDAQ during the 80s and 90s, marked by a genuine outpouring of innovation and groundbreaking technologies, and the present era, characterized by caution and conservatism. She passionately emphasizes the imperative to rekindle the innovative spirit of the past, where exponential growth and innovative breakthroughs took center stage. In a financial landscape where many cling to safety, Wood's unwavering belief in disruptive innovation offers a refreshing perspective. By daring to challenge convention, she encourages investors to embrace change and seek out companies poised to redefine industries. This bold stance reflects the need to reawaken the pioneering spirit that once fueled remarkable growth and innovation, promising a brighter future for those who dare to forge ahead. Before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. ARK Invest's unwavering commitment to fostering innovation and embracing disruption sets it apart from the traditional investment landscape. At a time when many investors are growing increasingly risk-averse, Kathy Wood's firm actively seeks out companies poised to redefine entire industries. This approach aligns perfectly with Wood's belief in the immense exponential growth potential of disruptive innovation. Central to ARK Invest's research and investment strategy is the concept of Wright's law. This powerful principle serves as an indicator of whether stocks are in a bubble. Wright's law posits that as the cumulative number of units produced for a product doubles, the associated costs related to new technologies decline consistently. This principle provides a unique lens through which Wood evaluates the valuation of companies in her portfolio. Let's consider the case of Tesla, a cornerstone of ARK Invest's holdings. Applying Wright's law, Wood's analysis reveals a fascinating insight. The cost of battery pack technology, a critical component in electric vehicle production, is projected to decrease by 28% for every cumulative doubling of units sold. This prediction suggests that electric vehicles will soon become more affordable than traditional gas-powered vehicles, potentially revolutionizing the automotive industry. Wood's outlook for the electric vehicle sector is nothing short of bold and optimistic, with an expected surge in electric vehicle sales skyrocketing from 2.2 million to a staggering 40 million by 2025. She foresees substantial growth potential. Tesla, in particular, is viewed as the largest AI opportunity globally, despite selling at a fraction of its revenue compared to other software companies. Wood's investment philosophy extends beyond electric vehicles, encompassing various transformative sectors. These include DNA sequencing, robotics, energy storage, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology. As units double in these sectors, associated costs decline remarkably, facilitating further innovation and disruption. In a market where many gravitate towards stability and established norms, Kathy Wood's steadfast commitment to disruptive innovation provides a fresh perspective. Her data-driven approach, anchored in Wright's law, challenges conventional investment norms, and offers investors an exciting outlook on the ever-evolving financial landscape. By embracing disruptive innovation, you can embark on a transformative journey toward financial success. In conclusion, the current financial landscape presents a compelling case for adopting an innovative and disruptive approach to investing. ARK Invest's impressive track record and remarkable success underscores the substantial rewards that can be reaped by embracing such a strategy. As you navigate the complex and ever-evolving world of finance, it's essential to keep in mind that change is inevitable. By remaining open to innovation and welcoming transformative disruptions, you can unlock the key to achieving your financial aspirations. Don't be hesitant to explore the unique opportunities offered by companies at the forefront of disruption. These pioneers are poised to lead industries into new eras of growth and development. Being prepared to seize these opportunities can lead to witnessing remarkable transformations in the financial landscape in the years to come. In essence, now is the perfect time to break free from the conventional investment norms, embrace change, and position yourself to thrive in an era of unprecedented innovation and opportunity. By doing so, you can chart a course toward financial success that aligns with the dynamic nature of today's markets. We hope you found Kathy Wood's insights as inspiring as we did. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts. Your insights are incredibly valuable to us, and we'd like to encourage a thoughtful discussion on this topic. Kathy Wood's approach to investing challenges traditional norms and champions disruptive innovation as the path to financial success. We'd like to know if her ideas resonate with you. Have you been inspired to explore unconventional investment opportunities? Or do you find comfort in more conservative approaches? As we navigate this ever-changing financial landscape, it's vital to exchange ideas and learn from one another. Perhaps you have personal experiences to share. Have you invested in innovative companies or industries that align with Kathy Wood's vision? Or do you have reservations or counter-arguments you'd like to put forward? Kathy Wood's firm ARK Invest has gained significant attention for its unique investment strategies. Have you followed their investment portfolio? And if so, what are your thoughts on their picks? The concept of Wright's law that Wood applies to evaluate companies is a fascinating one. How do you think this principle might shape the future of various industries? Are there specific companies or sectors you're watching closely, considering this principle? We believe that open and informed discussions can lead to better decision-making in the world of investing. So please take a moment to share your insights, questions, and perspectives in the comments below. Your contributions not only enrich the community, but also help us all adapt and thrive in this era of unprecedented innovation and opportunity. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.